There's a bunch of diesel exhaust tips.
Dude, you imagine the fat bass sitting in that pond?
Oh yeah, that was back in the day.
Yes. I gotta invest in microphones, dude.
People are gonna be saying, I can't hear you. For everyone that's curious, we're at Old Car City and everybody's waiting on the owner to die so we can come in here and buy some of these cars. I said it, you're welcome.
I think that's homemade. Bel Air didn't come in an El Camino.
But look at all this shaping.
There's no way. That's homemade. That's the back of a truck cab.
Okay.
Yep. Somebody did a dang good job, man. Dude, and it's a manual. Manuel. That was my Spanish for the day. That is a Torino GT.
So riddle me this, what's the 1600 badge on this Mustang?
That's not a Mustang. That is a Capri. 1600 was a little 1600 cc. Okay, so this I believe is a 73 Camaro or 72. Is that a solid or a split? It's a split.
Oh, okay.
Wow, dude.
It almost looks like they were trying to build a house.
I know. Oh, they put some money in those damn rafters up there.
Yeah.
Girders, whatever you want to call them.
Hills have eyes.
But then it's like they put this horn on it. I don't understand that.
They probably did that just for the haunted house.
If anyone doesn't know, nobody says it online, they do a yearly haunted house here. And
This is it.
yeah, this is probably it. Creeps me out. Dude, that is a cougar. God, cougars everywhere. Dude, there is a fastback.
I told you.
Oh my God. Holy cow.
The red one with the fold up on it.
You know what's crazy? I might be talking a little out of my zone. I would argue that somebody would pull a panel off of that. That whole quarter panel is good on that side. I got a soft spot for these Cougars, man. Dude, that's a savable car. Not the car, but you could save another car. No, that trunk's gone on the underside.
Think so?
Yeah. Wow, dude, if this was a stick shift. It is a stick shift. I bet you the motor in that is legit. Probably save it. There's another fastback.
You missed that if I went that way.
Oh yeah. They're literally everywhere, Cody.
No, it's a Dodge. Holy cow.
I thought it was Ford.
Look at that. There's another one right there. Are you kidding me, dude? Literally right beside it. There's 5 or 6 Volkswagens right there, dude. It looks like a 67, 69? I don't remember the Mercury Cougars that well.
Yeah, it's got the back quarter windows that roll down.
I'm distracted by this creepy crap. And there's like 7 Mustangs right there, literally stacked on cars.
God, it goes back.
Yeah. All right, I see a Mopar. I wish I knew more about those. I don't, but okay, there's a Chevelle, dude. That makes me sick to my stomach. F100 short bed.
I know why you didn't put anybody so.
I know, dude. I'd be lying if I said I wouldn't be a little creeped out. You can't tell me there ain't some homeless person in here chilling. There's too many tents, man. Yeah, dude.
Too many cars.
Look at that.
There'd be a bed right there in that car.
Ooh.
In the trunk.
There's another Chevelle, dude. 2-door. There's 2 or 3 right there. Custom cab. Man, dude, they were not designed for people like us to sit in. This is literally why I did the Crown Vic swap. Your knee is in your mouth in these cars. I would do some stuff to get that.
Backwoods stuff. I mean,
Man. Dodge Dart, like yours. I wish they'd bring back cool colors like this on cars. '69 Camaro over there.
brush back there, way back there.
Way on that hill. A Hornet, dude. Check that out. Hornet wagon. Wow. When's the last time you seen one of those, dude? Never. An AMC Ambassador, dude. That's pretty cool. They had a unique engine series in them because they couldn't ever obtain anything for themselves. Probably one of the best looking quarter panels, if you ask me. A Levi's edition. $1 first 1/5 mile. $5 flat rate. Airport to downtown. I mean, realistically, how would you get a car out of here? I don't think you would. An airplane, maybe? Yeah. That's very true. I think some of the cars that were sitting up higher, you might be able to save. Oh, God, right now. Jesus. Oh, twice. It was a thorn, too. Wow, dude. A thunder turd.
You're supposed to open them doors, you mother.
Is that what he said?
No hoods, no doors, don't get in the car.
Oh. Sorry. I forgot about that.
Nice old sunbeam side.
Part of me has a hope that I could get one day after this dude passes away.
I feel like somebody polished that mirror. Somebody stepped in there and they hit that thing with some polish.
Oh my gosh, dude, there's a Bronco hardtop sitting here.
And then we got a wagon charger, Magnum.
That Bronco being under that roof, dude, that thing would be nice. This literally drove around as when we were in high school and everything.
International champ.
It is an international. I don't see a badge.
Yeah, they had those ugly ass beds they put on them.
Yes, that tree has grown around it.
Through the front end and the bumper.
So Bus Garage has one of these right here. International Travelall. It's like the Suburban. And
Big vehicle.
yeah, dude, awesome.
Dude, it's a big ass car. S&S. What is that?
Cadillac, dude.
S&S?
I think that's the type of extension it is. It's a Cadillac, I think.
Something been living in here?
I would guarantee that.
Dude, ass. I'm about to walk up on something.
That has to be a Cadillac, right?
Something is living in here, dude. Scratch marks everywhere.
Probably a raccoon. The raccoon are vicious, man.
I like this old truck.
That's clean, man. Very clean. Look at that big 5 lug.
What's crazy is the wood outlasted the truck on the bed.
Yeah. I would almost argue that that's probably one of the most solid vehicles in here.
100%.
Somebody's cut this Cadillac part over here. Oh wow, the interior's clean.
Is the door open?
Huh?
Is the door open? It's locked. All right, so that guy's in there, sitting there in his office. No music, no TV. What was he doing?
Like sleeping.
He jumped up pretty quick when we walked in. Lights were off. He just sitting there like, here's my thing, man. It was a different type of person back in the day. Could you just sit there in your office?
Do nothing.
You're just sitting there looking at numbers and paperwork.
We're all distracted now.
Stuff on your shelves, right? Probably thinking of old memories. We didn't even take the time to do that, man. We're all worried about what's on Facebook.
Yep.
What's on Marketplace.
I'm worried about this 442 sitting right here in front of me.
I'm just saying, man, it was different times back in the day, right?
Yes. I don't think you could ask a modern person to just sit there like that for a week.
Nah,
You know
man,
what
we
I'm
go crazy, man.
Yep.
That's the reason why I'm a firm believer. We go to tails whoop against people like that.
Yep. Man.
And I don't mean like in fighting way. I'm just saying
Yeah.
if it was survival, you know.
I can't stand those Novas, dude. Everybody loves them. I can't stand them. Holy cow. What they do? Wreck that thing off a cliff?
Just hit a 4-foot ditch here.
A 4-foot ditch. You're probably right. That was a cliff. Whoa, whoa, is that carpet or rope?
Rope. Carpet under it.
Look at that carpet.
Look at that cash register.
Wow, dude. Hey, I've been needing this right here.
Dude, that bulb's probably worth a float of money.
Old gas pumps, Marlboro. Marlboro. Shell wiper blade, arm refills. That's awesome. I bet that sucker's worth some money. Is it full of them?
Full of something else.
Oh, there's been some animals in there. I am a huge fan of these off-road tires with a street tire in the front on these old school trucks. It's just, it looks wicked to me.
That truck's been here that long. That's a pretty good sized tree, man.
I bet half the viewers' moms have partaked in activities in a van just like this. Judging by the trim on the lower fender, I'm gonna say it's a Buick Skylark. I can't see that well. It is a Skylark. Automatic car. Got the spare in it. AAA. Paulding County. Got a GTO, some Superstars. Man, I'd give my right arm for a Buick Skylark, dude. Look at this. This is mind-boggling to me. Sorry.
How trashed it is.
Yes. There's another Chevelle, dude. God, man. Is that a Cuda?
Yeah, it is.
And then a Chevelle just chilling.
Looks like it was either white or yellow.
I'd say white. And the rust has probably turned to yellow. Wow, dude. Automatic car. This is... You know what's crazy? You want to get technical? I would almost guarantee that somebody died in that car.
Probably.
And the steering wheel is not bent. Think about that. How did they even make that happen? A Cuda, man. Awesome Chevelle sitting here, man. Front end's missing.